Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain a very important topic, that is why problems occur in life and how to find solution of problems. So before moving ahead, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So let's start with the story. A farmer, while working in his farm, realized he lost his watch. It was not a normal watch for him. He had a lot of emotions attached to it. The watch was a gift from his father, who loved him so much, was no more. He tried searching for the watch in every nook and cranny for a long time, but he could not find the watch. He saw a couple of children are playing in a field. He asked the children to help him in searching the watch, and if anyone would be successful, would be awarded. The children were excited both with the adventure and the prospect of hefty reward. They went in and began the search. They scanned every nook and cranny, but still they did not find the watch. The disappointed farmer was about to go. A little boy came and asked the farmer to give him a chance. Hoping for the hope, farmer gave him a chance to the little boy. In a very short span of time, little boy came in and gave a watch to the farmer, which he found. Farmer was actually so much delighted and surprised. What he himself and other children could not find it, this little boy has done it. So he asked the boy how he got succeeded and when everybody has failed. With a charming smile, boy replied, "Well, it was very simple, sir. What all I did was I just sat on the ground and listened. And in that silence I could easily hear the tickling of the watch. And then all I have to do just follow the direction of sound. And here we have a watch." The impressed farmer rewarded the boy as he had promised. My dear friends, we all are worked up with a situation in our life. There is a lot of noise created by negative thoughts, negative emotions and frustrations, worries and anxieties. And in that worked up situation with the mental noise, it's hard to find solutions. When you sit back and practice silence, in that stillness, in that peace, in that state of calm, you are able to listen to the true inner voice and find the right direction to move in. Practice few minutes of silence every day. Just go beyond your thoughts, emotion, feelings and listen to your true inner self. It's magical because silence isn't empty, it's just full of answers. So whenever you have a sit back and listen to your inner self. Practice silence every day. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.